our first teachers of the trip.
And class is not over yet.
Dad, did you catch one?
Yes, a small fish.
We are forest hunters. No, Peter, we are dinner makers.
He looks shiny.
Thank you, fish. Very polite. Don't make it black.
I remember. No black fish.
Taste. It tastes like brave food.
Everything tastes brave to you.
Wait, I must write this. Brave fish camp dinner. Wait. What? My fish. It vanished.
Did it fall?
Look here.
Animal. We are guests here. It's their place. The tent is right next to the RV.
And the door stays closed. You need us? Call.
We can do this.
Good night, Forest. Anna, why is your hair on my face? Anna?
He was here all night?
Kids? Are you awake? Mom, look!
Oh.
He came inside. He slept with us. Okay, now we really need to find his owner. Oh, he stayed.
He felt safe here.
His name is Max. Hi, Max. We can't keep him, okay?
His owner will come back.
Where's Max? He was right here.
Maybe he went to look for his owner.
Bye, Max. I feel a little sad.
Me Me too.